This is Parabi and Ruhul and me. We are teammate and we have a big digital marketing agency and we do YouTube SEO and promotions related work. So at first I want to introduce our agency to you, sir. Can I share my screen?
You want to share your screen with
Ji.
me?
Yeah,
Yeah, sure you can.
thank you. This is our website www.fsdfreelancehelp.com. In this website, you will find all of our contact informations and all about us. And if you scroll down, you can see my picture is attached here, and I am founder and CEO of this agency. We have lot of previous work history. If you go to our client meeting sections here, then you will find there are a lot of previous work history we have attached here, and we work with a lot of guy all around the world. If you go next pages, then you will find more and more previous work history. As you see, this guy is from USA. He hired us for $500 work. This guy is from China. This guy is from USA. This guy is from France. This guy is from Czech Republic. And we have lot of work history and we have lot of skill guy also. If you go to our team sections, then you will find there are a lot of skill freelancer working in our agency. They work in our agency and they work also Fiverr and Upwork. And if you go next pages, then you will find 400 plus skill freelancer working with us. And we have a YouTube channel and uploaded 198 videos. And if you go to our videos popular sections, then you can see 1.8 million views, 1 million views, 6 lakh 32k views, 5 lakh 94k views, and many more. And all of the views we have gained organically with the YouTube SEO. So recently, our team member has audited your YouTube channel and found some on-page SEO problem. And if you can fix that problem, then your channel possible to grow. So if you are interested, then we'll go ahead.
Yeah, of course, everyone would want to grow their YouTube channel or would want to see the reason why their videos are not getting much traction, regardless of the quality of the video, the quality of the audio, quality of thumbnail, and quality of, I mean, you're putting in everything that you're supposed to put, but still not getting the views. So, of course, everyone would want to find the reason why or even want to grow their channel. So if I could get a help from you, yeah, sure, why not? I'm open for that discussion.
Okay, okay, sounds good. So basically, we will guide you overall your YouTube journey, and we will help you to research your competitor and what should improve on your content, and how you should make clickbait thumbnail, and what should implement on your videos. Everything we will guide you. But main problem is your video has some on-page SEO problem. On-page SEO problem means search engine optimization is not done perfectly, so we'll optimize your video title SEO friendly, we'll optimize your video descriptions, and we'll research high volume rank tags for your videos. High volume rank tags means which tag has high search volume but competition is low. That type of text we will put, and when we put that type of text to your videos, then your video will go on top. When someone search related to your video, then your video will go on top. I'm showing you like it works. Just a minute. If you go to YouTube homepage from your site, and if you search here by digital marketing full course bangla, marketing full course bangla, then there are thousands of videos regarding this keyword, thousand plus, but we got the first position. This is an ad, my video is top, my video is on top. As like if you search here SEO full course bangla, then this keyword also has thousands of competitors, but my video is on top. So we know how to rank a YouTube video on YouTube top. So if you got the first positions, then definitely you will get organic traffic, organic subscribers. So for YouTube SEO, we have two packages. One is a
Okay.
starter and another is standard. In our starter package, we will optimize your 10 video and it takes 7 days to deliver the work and it costs $120. And another package is monthly package, standard package. In a standard package, we will optimize your 30 video and it takes 30 days to deliver the work and it costs $300. So now it's your choice which package do you want to start with.
Um, I mean, I'm not like in a rush because even now I'm just a little bit very calm on YouTube because work is also taking my time because I'm currently at even work. I need to go hide somewhere. I left my office too. So I mean, if you discuss the package with me and I still have your details. I still have your email. Whenever I'm interested, I'll just make sure I email you and then sure. So it's not something that I want to do today, tomorrow. Like like I'm not in a rush like that much. So yeah.
Okay, okay, no problem. Sounds good. You take time and reach a decision. And my suggestion is at first you can take our weekly service and judge our work. If you are satisfied with our work, then you can go for the long packages or
The monthly.
monthly packages. But I assure you that you would be get good results. But SEO is an organic process. We do 100% organically everything, and definitely we will assist you to take your channel to the monetizations and earning from the YouTubes.
I'm already monetized, so yeah.
Okay, okay. So we will assist you to gain more money from YouTube. So if you think about it and reach a decision, let us know. We will waiting for your response, and
Yeah.
it would be
And
very pleasure for us if
how
you.
does it how does it work? Do I need to um sign you in or log you in as a
Oh, okay, okay. For
yeah,
doing the work, we have two method. One is you can give your
okay.
channel access to us as a editor or editor limited. Then we can do everything from our side. But if you do not want to give your channel access, you just send your 10 video links or 30 video links to us, which video do you want to SEO. Then we will optimize from our side and make a report sheet, and then we will hand over to you, and you will put the metrics by yourself to your videos.
Okay. Great.
And for
So I
getting
can either give
payment.
you okay, okay. Yeah, you first. Go ahead.
Okay. For getting payment, we support Western Union, we support Remitly, and we support Payoneer. So if you do not know how to pay by Remitly or Western Union, no problem. Our team member will guide you. But PayPal is not supported in our territory.
Oh, PayPal is not supported, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I understand.
So you
Understand.
think about it and let us know. And hope to
Sure,
work with you
sure,
for a long
sure,
time. And thanks for your time.
sure, sure.
Yeah.
Thank you
Bye
so
bye.
much for your time as well.
Yeah. Bye.